Log in to 711 Proxy website. Click Proxy Setup and Username, Password. Click on Residential Proxies. Select the type of plan you want to use. Click on Username, Password. Create sub-users before getting a list of proxies. Add sub-user. Set up username and password. You can limit the traffic and IP of sub-users. Remarks can also be filled in. Click Confirm. Go back to the previous page. Select the created sub-user. Select country, region, state, city, or choose global mix. Choose session type and proxy host. Set the output format and generation number. Click Generate. This way the list of proxies is generated in the chosen format and you can start using it.